All right, everybody, let's jump in our DeLoreans and go back to 1984, okay? So Daniel LaRusso defeated Johnny Lawrence at the All-Valley Karate Tournament in The Karate Kid, a movie that spawned 3 sequels, a remake in the super popular series Cobra Kai.
Iconic. Ralph Macchio and William Zabka are back for a 5th season of Cobra Kai. Our movie guy got to talk to them and the rest of the cast. Oh, and there is a spoiler in here for the end of season 4. La 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 la, you've been warned.
As of today, I am shutting down Miyagi-Do Karate.
This can't be your plan.
With Johnny gone, it's on me to fix this.
1 star? Because the car smelled like beer. It's because there is beer.
How would you describe the Cobra Kai journey over these last 5 seasons, going from like trying to film a show for the first season for YouTube and now being this like global phenomenon for Netflix?
Yeah, it's, you know, the production of the show it hasn't changed that much. Interestingly, it's, you know, we have a little bit more time, but we're still always up against it, you know, and certainly when we get toward the end of the season, it's really, it's a scramble to finish everything on time. So from the production standpoint, it hasn't changed very much. What has changed is sort of the global impact that Netflix has in all corners of the world, and how you know, young people will watch the show and back into the movies, and then, or parents will tell the kids we're watching the show.
Ralph and I are the gatekeepers and shepherds of our Johnny and Daniel as much as we can be, and you know, we push back here and there, and it's a collaboration with them as the writers, and then with us as the artists and the instruments singing these notes. It's a marriage that way.
This show is so full of like surprises and cameos and reveals throughout the season. Are there like security measures in place so that spoilers like don't leak at all?
It's a miracle more doesn't get out, because they don't do that. And on other shows, they're so much more secretive. And on Cobra Kai, they're just kind of, you know, everyone gets the script, and I'm surprised more doesn't leak.
I will say season 4, though, we shot for like 1 second. We shot like a fake ending in which I won the tournament. Which was really fun to do, but it was purely, I mean, we shot like the whole like 2 days before that. Everybody was just seeing her win over and over and over and over and over again. And then they were like, but like, we're gonna do a take real quick, and like, we're gonna fake them out. It faked absolutely no one out, but it was like, I got to get lifted up on people's shoulders, so I didn't really care. It was fun.
All right, joining us now from the website Paul's Trip to the Movies, it's Ralph Macchio. Oh no, it's Paul McGuire-Grimes.
This is a slight letdown, but still we're delighted
Slight
that you're
letdown
here.
for sure.
How do you like season 5 of Cobra Kai?
I think that season 5 is actually one of the best seasons to date. I really love the show, and I think that what's great about season 5 is that the storytelling is more focused. They don't rely so heavily on flashbacks to the original Karate Kid movies or too many like legacy character cameos. It really is about Terry Silver, played by Thomas Dean Griffith, being like the ultra villain of the show, building this empire of Cobra Kai, and how these other kids really react to that. How does Daniel react to that? And it's so much fun.
So they're really trying to make this show stand on its own and kind of separate itself from like the Karate Kid stuff, and like, okay, we've matured and developed past
Absolutely. And because it's summertime, they're also not in the high school anymore. So you don't have that high school hallway drama that I think plagued the first couple of seasons. So it feels fresh. And then it's great for the whole family.
I like that very much.
It really is.
Ticket stubs.
So 4 out of 5 for season 5.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Okay, so Paul also got to sit down with Regina Hall and Sterling K. Brown. You know, kind of a big deal. They're the stars of a new satire called Honk for Jesus, Save Your Soul. The title's so good.
Amazing.
Take a look. Yeah.
Every woman is not built for the great responsibility of being a first lady.
Pastor Lee Curtis Childs faces allegations of misconduct. His megachurch may never be the same.
Lee Curtis and I, we're gonna get to the other side.
You there? Yeah, with the big old microphone. Come in closer, son. You gonna see what all the fuss is about. Showtime.
What's up? It's this idea of saving your soul. What do you turn to save your soul after a bad day or just the tumultuous times that we're living in?
What works for you?
You know, I mean, obviously, you know, that those moments with God quietly, those very personal moments of prayer or meditation, and good friends. I mean, I feel like that's, you know, family, friends. Those are the things that make you survive. But really, and consciously choosing to find gratitude and joy for something of light in the moment.
Yeah, I'll add, I mean, ditto, I'll add to it being a dad for me. I got 2 bright rays of sunshine that I live in a house with, that I'm sort of responsible for, but like, I don't know who learns more from who on a daily basis. Like, the learning is mutual and unending.
So that's good. You can cut.
Okay, I love that question that you asked them, and I'm very intrigued by this.
Okay, so the premise is that they play a pastor and a first lady of a Southern Baptist megachurch, and they hire this documentary crew to film them to rehab their image after a big scandal really takes down their congregation.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It looks funny, though.
It is very funny. I mean, it is satire, so the humor is heightened. There's a bite to it. So if you are very religious, you may not like some of the hypocrisy that they point out.
Okay, that's a good warning.
But Regina Hall, so funny, a queen of comedy, but then finding the vulnerable moments about what it must be like to be a wife to someone in that position that's been accused of something. And Sterling K. Brown, making us cry all these years on This Is Us, very funny here at like kind of the presentational sides of what a pastor may be like in front of a congregation or on camera. But what happens when the camera's turned off?
I like this concept a lot.
I
It
do
seems
too.
really
It's
fun.
funny, it's on Peacock.
Peacock, okay.
Okay,
3.5 out of 5
I'm going
tickets.
to get a
3.5
Peacock
out of 5. Okay.
subscription.
All seasons of Murder, She Wrote, by the way.
Okay, that's pretty good. Three and a half out of 5.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
let's make the transition to Elvis.
Yeah, HBO, it's now streaming on HBO Max if you missed it in theaters, and that is Austin Butler giving an Oscar-worthy performance as Elvis Presley, and it really is the story of two big personalities, Elvis and his manager, Colonel Tom Parker, played by Tom Hanks, and what they both wanted out of his career. And what happens when you have someone that is so corrupt and kind of taking over a very young, kind of innocent talent.
Isn't that fascinating? I was at the Michael Bublé concert the other night, humble brag, and and he was talking about the Elvis movie, and then he did a whole bunch of Elvis covers, and it was really fun.
It's so well done. So this is by Baz Luhrmann, who did Romeo and Juliet and Moulin Rouge. So it has that high energy, that glitz, that glamour. And what Austin does well is not do an impression. You find the heart and soul of who Elvis was and what he really wanted to stick to throughout his career based on the black community and the black music that he grew up in and what he wanted his sound to be.
Okay, tickets down.
Sounds
So
like you
4
really
to
like
5.
it.
It's very long.
Streaming on
It's very
HBO
long,
Max,
yes.
I do subscribe to that. So
Great, good.
just in case you were wondering what my streaming bill was like.
What else? What else do you
There's
subscribe
a lot
to?
happening. I don't even know. The charges will show up. Thanks, Paul.
Thanks so much, Paul.
Thank
All
you.
right. Visit Paul's website at paulstriptothemovies.com for updates and reviews of movies and all the streaming services that Elizabeth has.
That you subscribe to. TCL's Movie Trip is brought to you by Muska Lighting. They have the latest options for fans, outdoor lighting, and more. And the team at Muska Lighting can help you find just the right fixture. They have beautiful showrooms in Eden Prairie and Roseville. Thanks to Muska Lighting for sponsoring TCL's Movie Trip. Replace old and dated fixtures with a new light and change the look and feel of your home. Our mudroom fixture from Muska Lighting is a total showstopper. We get compliments from everyone who walks through the door. Talk to the experts at Muska Lighting in Roseville and Eden Prairie for help finding the perfect light for you.